Being an eToro Club member means that you're part of a select group of investors who get to enjoy personalized service, exclusive resources, and even discounts. It's our way of saying we appreciate what you bring to the mix. And what better way to say it than with some top offers? As a Platinum or Platinum Plus member, you get all of the offers of the Silver and Gold tiers. The dashboard where you can contact your dedicated account manager, the daily market summary, the eToro debit card, access to the Pro version of the Delta investment tracker, and more. But what we're really here to talk about is what you get on top of those offers. You'll get 0 withdrawal fees and a 50% discount on foreign exchange fees. What's more, you can earn interest on your available balance. The higher the tier, the higher the interest. Make sure you activate this offer through your club dashboard. Otherwise, you're pretty much leaving money on the floor. You'll also get access to the Trading Central Research and Analysis platform, where you can find trading and investing signals for active traders. These insights will help you make smarter decisions about your trading, all based on advanced technical analysis. It's a tool usually reserved for corporations and brokers, so this is your chance to get in on it too. Speaking of the pros, another offer is a free subscription to the Wall Street Journal and other financial publications, so you're always fully updated on the latest business news and analysis. Not bad, right? Platinum Plus members get even more benefits. For eToro members in the EU and Australia, we offer additional free private insurance up to €1 million or Australian dollars, allowing you to leave your worries at the door when investing considerable sums of money in the unlikely case of eToro's insolvency. You can find all the details on our website. Then, there are the invitations to top-tier industry events. These fabulous and luxurious shindigs not only take place in the most beautiful places in the world, but also give you access to leading investors, professional seminars, and a chance to meet other top-tier members just like you. You'll also get tickets to hand-picked sporting and cultural events. eToro sponsors some major sports clubs and athletes globally, which means you get to watch the best games from our own private boxes around the world. And if you're not into sports, how about free tickets to a music concert? All of these offers are waiting for you, along with a direct line to your own personal account manager, there to assist you on anything you need. And there's no need to sign up. When you join eToro, you're automatically placed into the club tier that suits your profile. Thanks for watching, and see you on eToro.